Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here, and for today's video we will put this electric adapter to my knitting sewing machine that I found in Etsy, and you can find it in Amazon too. So the brand is AIDILER. The price of this AIDILER adapter is $99.99 plus tax. Charger adapter, screwdriver, screws, and the actual adapter. So this is how it looks like. Oh guys, so cool. And there is this thing, so we'll see what is that for, and the instruction, guys, how we can install it. So read and follow the instruction, guys. This one is the connector. It's used to connect the original handle and the electric adapter. Power plug here, the white one. So just read it. The one sign is a rotation and the middle is turned off, and the other two signs in the rotation to in the other side. This is the manual handle, guys. Okay guys, first you have to unscrew this handle here. See guys, before you install this one, you have to understand and read the instruction. So especially this one here, this is the important part. Bump A1, bump A2, and this is the machine, adapter machine. Did you see the bump here? So you have to adjust with the adapter from your machine. Make sure that this one is not going there. So you have to make it sure like this one is not going put on and then just out. Like make sure this one is out when you put it like this. Because if this one going in, it's not gonna fit in this adapter. So make sure this one is level, this one is level like this, and then you have to adjust this one to make it straight, that it's level together. So this one is good, that it's fit in this one. So put it here like this. See, it fits. So now you remove this and screw this one. Make sure not too tight because if you want to use the manual handle, it's easy to unscrew. And then put this one back here, and then let's try to put it. Here's the connector. This is the control of the speed. So minus, and then this is plus. There's AIDILER here too. Turn it on what speed you like and press this button here. Here you go guys, and then you can speed, and then to turn on start, and then turn off the speed. Now let's try with when you use the manual handle of the adapter electric machine, you have to turn off the power. Just manually cranking guys for the beginning. This is the adapter connector guys for the manual handle. So if you wanna use it too, you can put it back and remove the electric one. And this one is, you have option to do this in the beginning of your knitting. So first crank is more useful, this one too. You can just easily use it and remove it. This is the option guys. And don't forget to put back the handle from the electric adapter when you use the electric adapter. This guys, the other one is the other way around, the one, and then the two is the other way around. So there you go guys. So that's how it works, this AIDILER electric adapter, guys. And hope this video is helpful for you, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next one. Be kind. Thank you for watching.